This is the Ferris Blink 0.2. It's a really small keyboard inspired by the Rust programming language, and as well as another keyboard which is quite famous in this channel, the Kyria. It uses the aggressive stagger from the Kyria, but it has only 5 columns and 2 1/8 buttons for the thumb cluster. I'm not really used to such a low key keyboard, but after using it for a week now, I got really used to it. It is weird in the beginning to use combinations for things like enter or delete, but once you get used to it, it's absolutely fine. You just need some time.